Hello UK lock spots. Yes, I'll be picking this Yale lock, plastic coated lock. I've picked it on my other channel, but as you know, it all went, it soaked that channel. It's a one of them closed shackle ones. It's hardened, as you can see. There's the keyway. It says GAC1. I don't know what that means. And yeah, I'll be picking it bottom of the keyway. Yeah, I'll be using my homebrew curve pick, as you can see. So here again, we're looking for a fault set. There we go. I got a fault set. Another fault set. That open, as you can see. Thank you very much, everybody. Yale padlock open, SPP.